Once upon a time in the magical forest, there was a sweet little bunny named Bunny. She had soft, golden fur and the brightest, most cheerful smile you could ever imagine. Bunny loved to explore the forest and make new friends. Her best friend was Pip, a little bird with blue feathers, and together they had the best adventures. One sunny morning, Bunny woke up to find the sky unusually grey. She hopped outside and noticed that something was missing. The rainbow! The sky used to be filled with beautiful colours after it rained, but today it was just dull and gloomy. "Oh no! Where did the rainbow go?" Bunny exclaimed. Determined to find it, Bunny asked Pip, "Do you know where the rainbow went?" Pip chirped, "I think it disappeared into the magical mountain. We need to find it and bring back the colours." Bunny and Pip set off on their adventure, hopping through the forest and past the sparkling river. They reached the magical mountain, where the rainbow was said to hide. As they climbed the mountain, they met friendly creatures like Squeaky the squirrel and Lily the ladybug, who wished them luck. Finally, they reached the top, where they found a mysterious cloud with all the colours of the rainbow trapped inside. The cloud was sad and said, "I was carrying the rainbow, but I lost it because I became too tired and sleepy." Bunny smiled kindly and said, "Don't worry, we'll help you. You just need to rest, and we'll bring the rainbow back." With a gentle touch, Bunny and Pip guided the cloud to a soft, cozy place where it could rest. As it napped, the rainbow slowly returned to the sky, brighter and more beautiful than ever. "Thank you, Bunny," said the cloud. "I'm so glad to have my colours back." From that day on, the rainbow stayed in the sky, shining brightly after every rain, and Bunny and Pip made sure to always check on their friend, the cloud, to make sure it never got too tired again. Moral of the story: sometimes, when we help others, we bring back the beautiful things in life. Helping a friend can make the world a brighter place.